Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga viewers ug subscribers! Kumusta kamong tanan? Welcome ug balik sa akong channel. This is Mardy and today, I'm so excited to share with you the incredible journey of one of the most beloved and legendary figures in Philippine showbiz, the iconic Lorna Tolentino. Sa usa ka karera nga milapas sa 5 ka dekada, she's captivated our hearts pinaagi sa iyang talagsaong talento ug dili matugkad nga kaanyag nga naghatag og kapin sa 100 ka pelikula ug mga serye sa telebisyon nga dili malimtan. Gikan sa pagdaog og mga prestiyosong premyo hangtod sa pagkausa ka modelo sa mga henerasyon sa mga aktor. Ang pamana ni Lorna tinuod nga talagsaon. So sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at the life and achievements of this phenomenal woman. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Lorna Tolentino, born Victoria Lorna Perez Aloquin on December 23, 1961 in Concepcion, Tarlac, is one of the most respected and acclaimed figures in Philippine cinema and television. Known for her dramatic prowess and emotional depth in her roles, Lorna has become a symbol of excellence in the entertainment industry, often referred to as the prime star of Philippine cinema. Ang iyang bantugang karera nagsugod sa 5 ka dekada. Din siya nagpakita sa kapin sa gatos ka pelikula nga naghimo kaniya nga usa sa mga pinakaprogresibong aktres sa Pilipinas sa tanang panahon. Lorna's remarkable talent was solidified when she became the 4th actress in Philippine history to achieve the prestigious Grand Slam Award for her outstanding performance in the film Narito Ang Puso Ko in 1992. This achievement further cemented her status as one of the greatest Filipino actresses. Sa tibuok niyang karera, si Lorna nakatigom og daghang mga awards. Lakip na ang 7 ka FAMAS Awards, 4 ka Luna Awards, 1 ka Gawad Urian Awards, ug 2 ka mga pasidungog gikan sa Asian Television Awards. Siya ang ikaduhang most nominated actress sa kasaysayan sa FAMAS Awards, 16 ka nominasyon, tying with the legendary Lolita Rodriguez and the 3rd most nominated actress in Gawad Urian Awards history behind Nora Honor and Vilma Santos. Lorna's acting style is known for its emotional restraint and understated intensity, a quality that has earned her critical acclaim. In 2004, the Directors Guild of the Philippines Incorporated honored her as one of the 15 best Filipino actresses of all time. And in 2006, S Magazine also included her in their list of the 15 best actresses of Philippine cinema. She is also regarded as the Grand Slam Queen, a title given to her by various media outlets for her remarkable achievements in both film and television. Her ability to transition from film to television has allowed her to remain a prominent figure in the entertainment industry, nga nagdala og daghang papel sa mga sikat nga serye sa telebisyon, sama sa Dahil May Isang Ikaw in 2009, diin siya kabahin sa usa ka ensemble cast. Lorna was born into a family with strong ties to the entertainment industry. She is the niece of actor Jerry Pons and a cousin of actress Ami Perez and singer Shasha Padilla. Her father hails from Liliu, Laguna, and her family moved to Manila, where she spent most of her childhood. Lorna attended St. Anthony's School for both her elementary and high school education. She later pursued a Bachelor of Arts degree at St. Paul College in Quezon City, as well at the University of Santo Tomas and Maryknoll College, now Miriam College. Si Lorna minyo niadtong 1983 sa yumaong aktor nga si Rudy Fernandez. Naa sila'y duha ka anak ug usa ka niini mao si Renz Marion. Si Rudy Fernandez namatay niadtong 2008 human sa usa ka pakigbisog batok sa cancer ug nagbilin og usa ka pamana nga padayon nga gihalad ni Lorna. Nailhan usab si Lorna nga stepmother ni actor Mark Anthony Fernandez. Lorna Tolentino's contributions to Philippine cinema and television have made her a beloved figure in the hearts of many Filipinos. Her career continues to inspire aspiring actors and actresses, and her lasting impact on the industry ensures her place as one of the greatest talents to ever grace the Philippine entertainment scene. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Joel Osteen, the life in front of you is far more important than the life behind you. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Kliwang and Nori Abang from Hulusulo. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photocredits2, sscip.wordpress.com, and inspirational quote credits to thoughtsabove.com.